Ka organizing committee jo ka Miss Universe Meghalaya Teenage 8,000 Bhabriew Haka jing kendo bat kilat pathai Khubor Shillong Press Club Haka khat saw tarik rampang kila pentip pat ba kila don ka jing tmu ban bu ya ka Meghalaya Haka map jang ki pageant Haka ri bat Haka Thei bat ruban plelan plelinti ki khana kan Thei jong ka Jylla kinong penyat kila penpau baka pageantry hagini kisngi ka khampen jing mut Haka jing don ya ka sur voice kajing lamlenti leadership kajing shania halade confidence but kajing no sinyang shaka imlang salang social impact amtang hakajing internet shabar kajing lekai kandon ka program grooming kabalabu ban sedang hapdeng ubenai Iaiong 8,000 but kan bu deki pre events hadu ka grand finale kabalabu hakashi tarik ujemang 8,000
Women in Meghalaya platform to get confident, learn communication skills, and find great opportunities beyond the ground. We are focused on properly organized event, good production, professional, good setup, media coverage like almost all over the state, and we can maybe nationally as well, and clear coordination within the team. We also want to ensure safe and proper management for contestants and both the audience as well. We are also currently looking for sponsors, and we warmly welcome brands and organization who support our youth and women's development to collaborate with us. So we believe that Meghalaya deserves a very prestigious, professional, organized event that the state can be proud of. Thank you.
We're here today to officially announce the Miss Universe Meghalaya and also the Miss Teen Meghalaya 2026. And before I go on, I would like to introduce the members of the panel that are here. I will ask.
Hello everyone, my name is Haka and I am the reigning Miss Teen Meghalaya. Thank you.
I am from Bhutan and I am the pageant coordinator for Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026 and Miss Teen Meghalaya 2026. Thank you.
I am Khubor and I will be the groomer, personality development trainer for the contestants this year, and we have a lot in store for them, so we're excited for this.
Hello everyone, my name is Liam. I am one of the event managers for this project, and I will thank you all for coming here, for being with us today.
State Director for the Miss Meghalaya and also the Miss Teen Meghalaya. Well, this year we just want to do something a little different. So we're not only holding auditions in Shillong, but we're also going to have an audition in Thei, that's in July, and in Tura, so that we can have members from all over the different districts of our state included. Because there are many of them who didn't get the opportunity earlier, so we want to give everyone the opportunity. So that's why we will be going to these other districts so that we will be able to conduct these auditions for them. We also open to other districts if they want us to have auditions in their state districts. We will also be willing to go there, because for me personally, and I think for my team here, we really want as many girls to be able to be a part of this, because it's not just about beauty but it's also about self-growth. We want them to go through, because we're going to have nearly a 2-week training program for them, so that by the end of that program, whether they will or not, we want them to be confident, we want them to be able to be focused, to be able to be an asset to society and also asset to themselves, because once they go through the training, there are so many job opportunities which can be waiting for them, and I think they will be much more confident being able to go after these 2 weeks. And I'm sure each contestant will notice the difference in themselves. So for Jylla Hills, Mr. Thei will be in charge. He's our team member, and from Hills we have Miss Samla. So both of them will be the ones who are coordinating for us in Hills and also in Jylla Hills. And that's why I want to encourage all the young girls, because for the teen category, the age limit's from 13 to 19. And for the Miss Universe Meghalaya, it is from 18 years onwards. There are no other criteria, there's no height criteria, there's no weight criteria or anything like that. It's just open to anyone and everyone who wishes to participate in this. And that is why I want to encourage everyone to please come forward and participate in it, because it is going to be a learning experience for each and every one of them. And today, with so much challenges in the world where jobs are concerned, going through this training period, I'm sure it'll help them to be able to achieve many things which they wish to achieve after going through this training. At the end of the day, we're going to say that we're not just here to select winners, but we are building ambassadors for our state. I will hand you over now to Shravan, who's going to be the page for accordingly.
The Caribbeans that will be Tura on the 7th of March 2026. Then we'll be heading on to July. That will be on the 10th of March 2026. And then lastly, we'll be proceeding to Shillong. That will be on the 14th of March 2026. For the auditions, we'll have the walk-in registration from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and we'll have a short briefing to all the contestants from 10:30 to 10:50. And after that, we'll be having a 20 minutes break. We'll line up the contestants and we'll be starting with the auditions. And for the grooming part, I will hand it over to Ms. Jylla.
This and what we really want to highlight regarding the grooming part of the competition, especially for the contestants, is that this is not just a beauty pageant. It is a platform where confidence is cultivated, voices are amplified, and futures are shaped. So our contestants will be going through a process of personality development, community impact, brand walk mastery, for them to be able to handle Q&A interviews, fitness, which includes from skin to their mental health and wellness, and most importantly for us is we are looking for a contestant who's going to come with great authenticity, build not only their personality development but build a career around it. So our main focus this year is that the girls, they come in with a little few rough edges and we refine them into refined young women. So there's a lot of grooming sessions that we'll be giving the girls today. And for now, that's all that I can give you.